This is a Schlage lfic core. It's the large format, and it just has the retaining pin right here. So I can't really figure out a good way to show on camera how you would operate it from the other way, but you can tension and then push the last pin up about halfway without picking anything else, and it'll make it so it'll go all the way in. But do you see how that right there just doesn't go very far? So all you have to do is just go into the back, you hit the last pin about halfway up, and it'll allow you to move that all the way in, and you could probably just scoop your pick around and pull it out. But to get into it, I'm going to use multi-pick, top of the keyway tensioner, and then the standard hook in 15 thousandths. So one's binding, so I got to click out of one, click out of two, click out of three, nothing on four, maybe a little something out of six. Five was real hard. I think it might be a zero lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I just had to nudge 6 up a little bit, and it opens it up. But that's the Schlage lfic core. I don't know if it's painted orange because that was the lock it was in, or if it was painted orange as being an orange belt lock.